I would definitely recommend Nottingham Square to other students.
It's a pretty cool place to live in. Everyone's pretty friendly and everything that you need is around you.
It's in a great location, you've got loads of space in your room, the security is great and you're near to the universities.
There are several room types to choose from. My bedroom's really good, having my own desk and my own wardrobe and pretty good bed, so I feel like I have all the space I really need.
My favourite thing about my room is definitely my bed because it's quite big and it's really comfortable. It also has quite a lot of storage space, which is really good for me to put all my clothes in. We have a shared bathroom, which is a shower and a toilet, but we also have another toilet on our floor, which is so good because if there's someone in the shower, you don't have to wait around or anything like that.
Well, the good thing about having an ensuite is just not being able to wait around for everyone. It's the feature of the room I really like.
The kitchen's really big and spacious. When we have people around, I tend to have people in the kitchen. There's loads of storage space. It has a fridge and a freezer, everything you could want, really.
The common room is a place where everyone really gets to hang out. We can play pool, you know, it's really great to catch up with my friends.
It's where everybody goes to just chill out and socialise. I meet a lot of my friends in there.
I feel really safe living at Nottingham Square.
They've got CCTV in all of the right places. You have a fob to get into the accommodation and then a key to get into your actual room, so it means that you don't have to worry about any randomers coming in or anything like that. It's really useful having a laundrette in the accommodation because it means that I don't have to go off site to wash my clothes. There are washers and dryers.
The Wi-Fi is pretty strong around Nottingham Square. You can basically be anywhere and you get a strong signal.
It's really quick as well, so I like to watch Netflix on it or Skype home and catch up with my family on what I've been doing.
The staff are very helpful with anything that I need, whether it's a lost key or just any problems with the room I have.
It's really great having your bills included in the price because it means you don't have to worry about water, electricity, heating, Wi-Fi. It just makes life so much more simple.
Nottingham Square is located about 10 minutes away from Nottingham Trent University and it's just a short bus ride from the University of Nottingham.
Nottingham Square is also really close to the city centre, so it's near to all the pubs and bars and all the shops for clothes shopping or anything like that. And there are supermarkets that are near, so you can always nip to the shops if you need any food.
The atmosphere of Nottingham is just pretty lively, pretty friendly, just a great place to be. I'll definitely recommend living in Nottingham Square.
I absolutely love it here and I think it's a great place to live.